Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. To shine, don't wait in line y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go on a feed and this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, I feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh.
Today we are proving that we are second to none. Today we are proving that we as a state can and will compete with the best, not just in this country, but in the world. We will see that Meghalaya should rise and should become one of the most developed states in this country. Today, I can confidently tell you that Meghalaya is rising. We have a long way to go. I'm not saying that we have completed everything, but we have started. And with all the support, with all the praise, with all the blessings from above, I can assure you, we will take Meghalaya to even greater heights. And I dedicate this stadium to the people of Tura, to the people of Garo Hills, and to the people of our state of Meghalaya. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya.